first 10 episodes have focused on planning lessons, delivering instruction, guiding practice, organizing units, and assessing progress. Here in episode 11, the focus shifts. Before we can teach writing, we have to prepare students to be writers. And while it might seem like this should have been the topic of episode 1, it actually fits best here, at the end of the series. Now that you know the role of direct instruction and how it feeds what should be independent writing time, it's easier to appreciate the importance of creating the conditions where that can actually happen. This episode is all about the kickstart, the first 2 or 3 weeks before introducing the 3 modes, before diving into units, and before teaching standards-based skills. While there are numerous procedures and routines that go into establishing an efficient and effective writing environment, I want to identify 6 that are essential for a strong start. Without deliberately addressing these, teaching writing will likely be a year-long struggle for you and your students. So much of building strong, independent writers is rooted in stamina.